Hi everyone and welcome to EasyPeasyPass. If you're feeling nervous about your first driving lesson, you're not alone. Most people are. But don't worry, because today we'll walk you through exactly what to expect on your first driving lesson. Whether you're 16 or 56, it makes no difference. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit anxious. It's a big step in life, and we're here to guide you through it all. At EasyPeasyPass, we welcome students of all abilities. If you have a disability, we're here to support you. We're proud to work with the Motability Scheme to ensure everyone has the opportunity to learn to drive and gain independence. If you have any specific needs, let us know, and we'll work together to make the lessons comfortable and effective for you. Let's get started. Before your lesson, make sure you bring your provisional driving license, glasses if you wear them, and maybe sunglasses if required, as you'll need to see clearly for driving. It's also a good idea to wear comfortable clothes and shoes with flat soles. Avoid chunky boots or soles, as they can make it harder to feel the pedals. You should have already had the chance to speak with your instructor on the phone before your lesson. On the day of your lesson, they will introduce themselves and ask you a few questions to understand how you're feeling. Don't be shy about sharing if you're nervous. It's completely normal, and your instructor is there to help you every step of the way. To help you feel at ease, your instructor will take you to a quiet area where you can focus on learning without distractions. Your first lesson will start with an introduction to the car. Your instructor will ask a few questions to gauge your understanding of the cockpit drill and explain how you know the car is set up correctly for you. This is an important step, as it's something you'll need to do at the start of every lesson. Not sure what the cockpit drill is? Let's explore that a little more. The cockpit drill is a routine to ensure you're comfortable, safe, and in control before driving. This includes adjusting the seat so you can reach the pedals comfortably, positioning the steering wheel, and ensuring the headrest is at the correct height to protect your neck. You'll also adjust all mirrors: the interior mirror for a clear view of the road behind, and the side mirrors to minimize blind spots. This drill might feel like a lot at first, but it's a crucial habit to form. Although it may seem like a lot to learn, you'll soon master it. Not only does it ensure you're comfortable and safe, but it also prepares you to react confidently to whatever happens on the road. Taking the time to do this thoroughly helps set you up for success on every drive. Once you're comfortable, it's time to move the car. Don't worry, you won't be thrown into busy traffic right away. You'll go over the gears and pedals, how to control your speed and steering. Your instructor will guide you through starting the engine, selecting the gear, and moving off safely. Remember, there's no rush to any of this. Take it at your own pace to get it just right. You'll also practice stopping the car safely. This includes checking your mirrors, signaling, and using the brake. Mistakes may happen, and that's completely fine. They're an important part of the learning process. Your instructor will help you understand what went wrong and how to improve. It's all about building your confidence in a calm and controlled way. Your first lesson is all about building confidence. You might only cover basic maneuvers like moving off, stopping, and steering. That's completely fine. Each lesson will build on the last, and soon you'll be tackling more complex skills like roundabouts and parallel parking. Your instructor will give you the opportunity to repeatedly practice each new skill you learn in order to help build muscle memory. By doing the same maneuver over and over, it starts to feel more natural, and in turn, you become more confident. This approach will not only help you physically, but can also improve your understanding of the concepts behind each action, making you more knowledgeable overall. The repetition reinforces the techniques, so when you're in real driving situations, it feels like second nature. At the end of your lesson, your instructor will give you feedback. They'll highlight what you did well and what you can improve on. Feedback isn't about finding faults. It's about giving you the right support. Reflecting on your driving is super important, so being able to identify any faults and understand how to improve them is fantastic. Don't be afraid to ask questions. This is how you learn and grow, and that's it, your first driving lesson in a nutshell. Remember, it's okay to feel nervous. It may even feel like information overload at first, but repetition is key, and your instructor is there with you every step of the way. Taking these first lessons slow and steady allows your brain to retain the information, which makes it easier to recall later. Speed shouldn't be a goal here. As you progress, you'll naturally get faster. Every lesson is unique to you, There's no script that a driving instructor reads through. Lessons are assessed and adapted continually to help fill any gaps in your knowledge. If you ever feel like things are moving a bit too fast, don't be afraid to slow them down. You learn at your own pace, and that's okay. Never judge yourself based on other people's progress. Instead, focus on all the improvement you've made. Every step forward is a win. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more driving tips and advice. Let us know in the comments how your first lesson went. We'd love to hear about your experience and offer any tips to make your next lesson even better. Know someone who's worried about learning to drive? Feel free to share this video with them to show they're not alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.